In this video, I'm going to show you the type of drill bit you need for yellow plugs. Now, in order to keep this simple, I'll just give the game away at the start, but if you're wanting to learn a little bit more, then feel free to stick around. So these are our yellow roll plugs, and you tend to find they're quite a thick, chunky yellow plug. Now, one thing to bear in mind is you can get different types of yellow plug, and they may even require a different sized hole. So these are a lot smoother and thinner, so they might require a slightly smaller hole than our roll plugs. So I've got two drill bits here. So if I was going to take a gamble on one drill bit that'd be appropriate for these roll ones, I'd probably use these 5.5 SDS bits. As you can see there, 5.5 mil. So they're a little bit bigger drill bit and they should fit perfectly using your roll plugs. Whereas if you're using something like these thinner, smoother plugs, then I'd probably go for a 5 mil option. So we've got 5.5 for the roll plugs and the sort of standard generic smoother plugs, 5 mil. So the reason this can get a little bit more complicated is because it depends what you're fixing into. So if you're fixing into brickwork, which is very hard, then you might want to use a slightly larger drill bit. Whereas if you're fixing something soft like breeze block or thermalite, you might find that a smaller drill bit enables a snugger fit with your plug. So what I always like to do is you start with your smallest masonry bit and then work up. So if you're using yellow plugs, you know you've got some of those at home, I'd start with a 5 mil bit and then you can always widen that hole to a 5.5 in order to accommodate your plugs. So I hope that's helped, just giving you a few tips. I'd like to cover all bases, get myself 2 SDS bits as they often drill your holes a lot faster, or 2 masonry bits, and you want a 5 and a 5.5, and then you know you're going to have success when it comes to performing your project. So I hope you found this video helpful and it's helped you select the right drill bit for your yellow plugs. If you found it useful, drop us a like, and if you want more quick DIY tips, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.